Trivia time. Did you know that when used correctly, GIFs can be a powerful source of conversions on your website or sales page? Didn't know that? Well, welcome to a whole new world. Hi, I'm Megan, and I'm an illustrator and GIF designer at Lansing Creative. On my channel, I help businesses and online entrepreneurs make and use GIFs and illustrations in their business. If that sounds like something you'd like, please subscribe and follow along. GIFs are one of my favorite online marketing tools because they're a really cool way to combine something that's fun, which I'm really passionate about in my business, with something that also uses visual strategy and can get you conversions. But when you're using GIFs on your website or sales page, you're going to want to make sure that you're using them correctly, because there are a lot of downfalls and mistakes that I see creators make a lot. And just because you're using GIFs doesn't mean they're going to be effective, right? So in today's video, we're going to talk about 3 different tips for using GIFs to optimize conversions on your website or sales page. Tip number 1, use GIFs for attention, not for distraction. The amazing thing about GIFs is that a lot of times they are the only thing moving on your website. So why is this good? Studies have shown that when our eyes are scanning for important information and they see something moving or they see something that is different, we will pay extra attention. So you need to use this to your advantage when you're using GIFs and not just to the point of distraction, because with that movement, you can be distracting your viewers from important information on your page. And obviously you don't want to be doing that. So you want to be using GIFs for important things like calls to actions or CTAs, buy now buttons, and other things that you want your user to pay attention to. On the flip side, don't use GIFs all over the place because it's going to distract your users from what you want them to do, which is click something or buy something or sign up. So make sure you're using those GIFs where you want people to pay the most attention on your page. Tip number 2, use GIFs instead of video. While video is really powerful in the online space, sometimes I think GIFs just do it better. For example, when I'm creating a tutorial on my blog, instead of having somebody click through and watch a whole long video when they just want like a quick win, I will sometimes convert my how-to screen recordings or screen grabs into GIFs. The benefit of this is that someone doesn't have to click through, so it's one less barrier for them watching that and getting that win, and they also can be a lot shorter and quicker and to the point. While this doesn't work for every piece of content, it is really great for readers who want quick, actionable information without having to click into a video when they've come to your blog. Using GIFs instead of videos when you have short how-to content and tutorials can be really, really effective. Tip number 3, good GIFs start with good design. Listen, I've been there. You get really excited when you decide to start using GIFs on your website or your sales page, so you start adding them all over. You found all these cool office GIFs and all these cool CTA GIFs, and you're just like adding all the GIFs because you're so excited. We all let excitement get to the best of us sometimes and then make bad design decisions. But as with most things in life, you don't get credit for just showing up, and just because you slapped a GIF onto your webpage doesn't mean it's going to convert or do anything for your business. In order to get really good results from your GIFs, you need to start with really good design. You need to make sure that they match your branding and that each GIF has a specific use. Don't go overboard and use a million GIFs. Use a couple GIFs that are really, really effective. When you start with a GIF that has really good design and matches your branding and matches the feel of what you're trying to go for, and then add simple animation, it can be a really powerful GIF. But if you start with a whatever design and then you add some cool animation, it doesn't do anything because the design as the foundation isn't there. GIFs can be a powerful tool for your business, and sometimes you just choose to use them because they're really, really fun. But if you're using them to optimize conversions on your website or sales page, you really need to be strategic with how you're using them. When designed well and used correctly, GIFs will really help you increase connections, increase your conversions, and help you make more sales in your business. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. It really helps me build my channel, and comment below what other kinds of content you'd like to see in the future. I cover GIFs, illustration, and online business, and how to use all of those together to make a magic potion that is your brand. Tip number 3. Okay, I think that is all the things that I need to tell you.